Hello children, welcome to English CB class. Today we will go to a poem which is in page number 58. Before that, I would like to ask you how your mother cook biryani. How they cook biryani? They cook biryani adding so many ingredients, so many powders. Means whatever they cook, they add so many ingredients. We say ingredients, how many powders, onion, vegetables, means some things, so many things they are adding to make it into a delicious food item, right? Likewise, how have you ever thought of how a woolen sweater is made? Sweater is made by knitting different colors of different woolen thread, right? Like this they, yes, knitting, this is called the knitting. They knit and make into a woolen cloth, right? So we can say that different small tiny threads are combined to make a woolen sweater. All right, like this, something related to it. Today we are going to, now we are going to how an ocean is made. How an ocean is made? Yes, when it comes rain, when it is raining, drops by drops. Yes, the rain is in the form of, yes, drops by drops of water. Drops one after another, drop by drop, it is raining. And after some time, what will happen on the ground? It will form a water body. Yes, like puddles or something. Then if there is a canal or a river, all the water will join in the river. Then finally all the river will flow into the sea, and the sea becomes large and full of water. Yes, so we can say little drops, each and every little drops of water all together, when it combined, it makes a big ocean. Ocean means what? Ocean means, yes, ocean means sea water. Bahar. In Arabic we say bahar. Yes, little drops makes a mighty ocean. Mighty means what? Mighty means powerful. The ocean is so big, vast, wide, and thousands of liters of water is there in the ocean. So we can say each and every little drops of water is counted in the formation of ocean. Yes or no? Yes, little drops makes the mighty ocean. Little drops of water makes the mighty ocean. And think about the land, how the land is made using grains. Little grains of sand makes the beauteous land. Little grains of sand, it's in powder form, very tiny particles they are, but when it joined together we get a bucket full of sand. And when thousands of buckets of sand make a desert and mountain and garden, everywhere we see sand. Yes, so each and every grains, little particles of sand together forms a land portion, right? Then now today we are going to learn the poem in CB page number 58. In page number 58, we have little drops of water, little grains. Page number 58. Okay, in CB book, you will have the poem title is Little Things. So kids, now you saw the book, right? If you open the book, you will see the same lines there. Just I wrote it on the screen here. Little drops of water, little drops of water. So we can say little drops of water. All of you read after me. Little drops of water, little grains of sand, little grains of sand, little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean. Make the mighty ocean. We can say little drops of water make the mighty ocean. Mighty means powerful. Ocean means, yes, sea. Yes, make the mighty ocean. Then we can say little grains of sand make the beauteous land. And little grains, let me go to the, okay, little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the beauteous land, and the beauteous land. Now you will read after me, girls, boys. Yes, you will read after me one more time the first stanza. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the beauteous land. 4 lines, that is, little deeds of kindness, little words of love make our earth an Eden like the heaven above. Yes, little deeds of kindness, little words of love make our earth an Eden like the heaven above. Can you read after me once again from the beginning? Right? Okay, ready, get set, go. Here we start. Alright, little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the beauteous land. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love make our earth an Eden like the heaven above. So that's the poem. Now can you tell me, kindness means what? What do you mean by kindness? Little deeds of kindness means what? Little deeds of kindness means, little deeds means actions of ours of kindness. We have to be kind to all people. Yes, see, look at this. A person is helping a girl who cannot walk. She's crossing the road, and the man is helping. Yes, he is kind towards the other one. And here see a poor girl who is in ragged dresses, and the other man in the sunlight, he is removing his chapel and providing to the poor little girl. Yes, when it is very hot sunny day. And now let's go to the next line. What is the meaning? We will check. Little words of love. There are many people in the world, they need our lovely words. They need our, but so many people, so many children, they need our love. Yes, whoever we see around us, we have to show our kindness, and we have to express it in the words of love. We should not speak to anyone rudely. We have to show love, and we have to give some words of love. How are you? Very kindly, politely, lovingly we have to talk to the people. You have grandparents, they are very lonely in this age of their late years. They are very lonely. You can't imagine that. Yes, now we are very active, we have a health, but in their life they are now tired and they are ill. Yes, so they need some energetic people like you. They need some words of love from you. So all the time you talk to your grandparents. Whenever possible, whenever you get holiday, you talk to your grandparents. Okay, every day you try to talk to your grandparents. They need little words of love from you. Next line. So if we show kindness and loving words to others, if we give lovely words to others, so if all people are like that, it will make our earth, our world, an Eden. Eden means it's a happy, beautiful land, like the heaven above. Heaven means, yes, it is paradise. It is, in Arabic we say Jannah. Yes, like the heaven above. Heaven above means like the world above, the down earth also we can make it like a paradise or heaven. On the earth means the world we are living. This world also we can make like how it is in the up in the sky heaven, how it is, like the same we can do. We can with our kindness. Yes. So this is the poem. Is all about, we can say, like once Gandhiji said, you know who is Gandhiji? Like once Gandhiji said, if you want to change the world, if you want the people to be good, you be the change. Gandhiji once said it so. All right, children. Now this is the poem, Little Things. You have to go through the chapter. You have to read the chapter. Little drops of water, little grains of sand make the mighty ocean and the beauteous land. Little deeds of kindness, little words of love make our earth an Eden like the heaven above. So this is the chapter is about. Now learn to enjoy the poem. If you understood the poem, you will be able to answer the question also. See this. The sea is made up of dash. How the sea is made? With love? No. How the sea is made? Yes, the sea is made up of fish? No. How? Yes, more drops of water together form into a sea. So we can say the sea is made up of drops of water, little drops of water. So you need to write here what? The sea is made up of, yes, little drops of water. Yes. Now second question is, the land is made up of dash. Yes, what is that? Little grains of sand. The land is made up of sand. Okay, now you enjoy the poem. Take care. Bye bye.